Good morning, class 12. Welcome to English literature period. Presently, we are studying second book, Vistas, and from this book, all the chapters are being revised according to first unit test. In this sequence, lesson four, the enemy. Enemy is going on. Studying from this chapter, few questions were told you. Those questions were very important in view of examination. Today, once again, I am prepared, I am ready to produce few exam type questions. Please, your focus should be here. First, one question more, short answer type question. As how was the plan of prisoners' escape? Prisoners' escape. Executed in the story. Story name also as the enemy. Try to understand many of this question. How was the plan of the prisoners' escape executed in the story The Enemy? After well treatment, after well recovery of the health, it was planned to escape the prisoners without any harm by Sadao. How? Listen, answer I am telling you orally. You can let it as a dictation. So please listen and write in your own words. Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao had a boat of his own. Dr. Sadao, as his house was situated on the coast, so he had also a boat. his own boat. One night he put it on the shore and he put in it some food, some other requirements, other and extra clothing also for the prisoners. There was a little island not far from the house, from the coast, and nobody lived there, so that he could see him to do so. Let us now ask the prisoner very secretly to row the boat to that island. In this way, the prisoner saved himself. In this way, not prisoner, Sadao saved himself from that case. Next question. Long answer type question. One more. Long answer type question. Right. Dr. Sadao was a patriotic Japanese. Patriotic Japanese. As well as a dedicated surgeon. Dedicated surgeon. Krishna, how could he honor both the values? Honor both the values. This person. Long answer type person. Tatsuta was a patriotic Japanese as well as a dedicated surgeon. How could he honor both the values? Means both values. He displayed his patriotic feeling and also moral duty as dedicated surgeon. How? Actually, patriotism means devoted love for one's country and the willingness to defend it against any harm. And dedicated surgeon is who does his best not to let a patient die on whom he performs as operation. On the face of it, there seems nothing very difficult to be patriotic as well as to be a dedicated surgeon. But when the surgeon has an enemy soldier as his patient, it is not easy to keep up the feelings of patriotism at the same time. But Dr. Sadao honors both the values. Is no ordinary feats on his part. He knew that the wounded man he had found on the beach, on the coast, on the Kurala shore was an enemy soldier, but his duty as a surgeon dedicated that he should not let the man die if he could help it. And this is what he did. He took the man into his house and did all he could to save his life. His duty as a patriotic demanded that he should inform the police about the presence of enemy soldier. Accordingly, he told the general everything about the enemy soldier. The general told the surgeon that he would send his private assassins to kill the soldier. That is, thou could not sleep for 2 nights with this thinking. When the assassins did not come, he had the mind to get away from the house, keeping in a port. Thus, thou honored both the values. Write in your own words, just I help you to write answer this question. Thanks. Have a nice day.